Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya
Dag babu hakmat ya thong ban Plie ki Samla ki bawan ki long yeng ki bakam Duna ka yok kot hakim lang ka salang bar ki bayai angnu un beteng ki jing Plie ki bakam Shalor ki sister jonga slok celestian ka balang Catholic la Plie se ka shlam Plie ka blai kerteng kum ka Bellefonte evening college ka beran ha ka shtong lom shi ap Shillong Yaki evening college la Plie pat ba ha kharatri unai lar arajar aphosan do archbishop ka jilaniam ba Shillong most reverend Victor Lingdo ublalong kumukongsan Haringkar Gajing Sakilang, Jong ka General Visiting Councillor, Gajing Slok Celestian Sister of Don Bosco, ka Sister Ruza G. Riza Chantal Mukase, ka Blalong Kum ka Simbur Kongsan, Upro Vice Chancellor ka School Ba Nehu, Professor Sumar Ben Umdor, ka Provincial Jong ka Shillong Province ka Sister Rosa Pingrop, ka Blalong ka President Jong ka Bellefonte Evening College, ka Principal Jong ka Bellefonte Evening College ka Sister Helen Puweng, pat ki wei plasha khots ngau ba. Shion Plie ba ka college, Sdang shwara ka mas bakot, lapin bentado most reverend Victor Lingdo, barhading kani, lapin bot pat sa ki wei program na kina school jong Sacred Heart Girls Higher Secondary School, Maulai, but na kina school jong Auxilium Higher Secondary School, Nong Thamai.
Sister Rosa Pingrop, Provincial, representing the province. Sister Helen Puweng, Principal, representing the college. Sister Elizabeth Pani Mothil, representing the governing board. Professor Sumar bin Umdor, representing the university. Assistant Professor Nashwa Cooper David Tarya, representing teachers. And Jasmine Mary Bentham, student from BCA, representing the students. As the lamp is lit, let it spread the light of education, ignite the flame of inquiry, and illuminate the path to excellence for our students, faculty, and the community at large.
Marks a joyful occasion, a new beginning filled with hope. We gather to officially inaugurate the Bellefonte Evening College, an initiative started especially for young people who continue to nurture great dreams in their hearts in spite of life's challenges. This mission goes beyond academics. It is about offering opportunity. It is about believing in the hidden talents within each youth and helping them realize their fullest potentials. We draw inspiration from St. John Bosco, friends and father of youth. Don Bosco believed that every young person possesses both goodness and greatness. He envisioned a world where no one is left behind, where each youth is respected, cherished, and given a chance to flourish. The dream for this college follows the footsteps of Don Bosco. It offers an opportunity to those who have courage and hope, and who aspire to build better lives, not just for themselves, but for their families and society as well. To our beloved students, this is your moment. Dream big. Don Bosco always said, For you, I study. For you, I work. For you, I live. On this occasion, we repeat his words. We are here for you. We believe in your future, even when life seems difficult. You are not alone. We want this journey beside you. Don Bosco began his educational work with very little resources, but his love, faith, and hope continue to transform lives, even today. I assure you that all of us can still follow his example. As we begin this noble mission today, I wish to express heartfelt gratitude to Sister Rosa Pingro and her council here present, as well as the sisters of Shillong province, for your passion and courage in making this dream a reality. You have gifted young people who long for hope, learning, and growth, with the opportunity to flourish in life. This is possible because of your dedication, your faith, and your love for youth. You are in tune with the spirit of Don Bosco, a man who dreamed big for young people, especially those in need. Like him, you believe in the potential of every youth, working tirelessly to expand their horizons and offer them new prospects. Through your sacrifices and care, your lives will be touched, transformed, and given courage and hope for a better future. On behalf of our beloved Mother General, Mother Kiara, and her council, we express our deepest gratitude for your courage and generosity in serving our youth. Thank you for your firm commitments in presenting these beautiful gifts to young people. May God bless you abundantly. And to our students, once again, dream higher, work harder, believe in yourself, never give up. Welcome to this abode of learning. Welcome to a new adventure of discovery together with the sisters, teachers, and your companions. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
From St. Anthony's College evening class. Yeah. Then our dear sister Provincia Sarosa, very proud of you. During your time, everything has come to fulfillment. And then also Sister Helen, we are really very proud of you. You are very daring. And you dream big. So I feel that all the council members of Sisters Rosa Pingrot, Helen, all the team have dared to open this evening college. We started evening college before and we stopped it, but now you again open it. That is really great. So today we have seen with our own eyes, so wonderfully performed by the students, by the novices, by all the students of this college. We have seen with our own eyes whatever they did with perfection. So they deserve our hands together. So as we welcome to this inauguration of the evening college at Bellefonte, really, first of all, I am very grateful. I want to thank God for this college. Gratitude and joy at this historic moment. Today is a joyful milestone for me because you are all in my diocese. I'm very proud of my family. A day of hope because it's year of hope. Faith and vision as we inaugurate this Bellefonte Evening College, a noble initiative of the Salesian Sisters. Congratulations, sisters. We express heartfelt gratitude to God, to the founders, visionaries, benefactors, all those who have made this dream reality. I know I have always faith that whatever FMA will do will reach to perfection. The best way to find yourself is to love yourself in the service of others, said by Mahatma Gandhi. Beacon of second chances and lifelong learning. The Evening College is not a building, as you have heard already say. It's a beacon of hope for the students who need flexibility due to the work, financial issues, other life circumstances. It is second chance for many to rise, to dream again, to study, and to change their lives. Education is the most powerful weapon which can use to change the world, said by Nelson Mandela. Vision of the Salesian Sisters, faith, knowledge, and service. Inspired by John Bosco and Saint Mary Maserolo, the Salesian Sisters believe in educating the whole person, mind, heart, and soul. Bellefonte Evening College is a mission of mercy and empowerment, especially for the poor, working youth, and the underprivileged. Let us remember one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the whole world. Manana Yusuf Sai. Then, message for you, dear students. Take responsibility for the future. You are the future of our country, of our state of Meghalaya, of the church. Dear student, your presence here shows your courage, resilience, and hunger for growth. Make use of this golden opportunity. Be disciplined, focused, and graceful. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Rosetta. As already Professor Marviana said clearly today. To you parents who are here, maybe some parents are here. Your support is a bridge to success. Parents, your encouragement means everything. Many students here are working by day, studying by night. This requires family support. Let your homes be filled with motivation and moral support. Behind every young child who believes in himself is a parent who believes first. Matthew Jacobson. To the staff, all of you, the staff here, professors and management, be mission-driven education. To teachers and management, this is a more than a job, it is a vocation. Teach with compassion, lead with integrity, and believe in each student's potentiality. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Brad Henry. Education is not filling up a pail, but the lighting of the fire. William Butler Yeats. The power of evening education, a ray of light in the dark. Evening education is not less than morning education. It is education with greater sacrifice and determination. Working students are learning through sweat, discipline, and perseverance. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path. and leave a trail. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Our society needs educated hearts, not just educated heads. Education must not only prepare for job, but for life. You learn for life. Let this connect form leaders with values, youth with purpose, citizen with compassion. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Martin Luther King Jr. Let this college be a place of transformation. Let Bellefonte Evening College be a home where dreams are born, minds are sharpened, hearts are formed, leaders are raised. Your education is a dress rehearsal for a life that yours to lead, Nora F1. May God bless this new beginning, this evening college. That all who walk through those doors, to these doors, live more courage, more wisdom, and more humanity. To all the students, work hard always. There's no shortcut method. You have to work hard. If any one of you can get 90 above percentage, please tell me, I'll give a word. To the Salesian sisters, continue this mission with love and faith. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Auto Ashe. Therefore, let us walk forward together in faith and unity. Students, parents, teachers, and sisters, believing that this evening light will illuminate many futures. I assure you, of course, my prayer, my blessing, and my moral support. May the good Lord bless all of you. Thank you.
วัดเป็นเลนเอียกนิกกาบูกิศพที่โทกิบบ้าบัดชงดอร์นาดูสาวโพหจาร์ฮัดูหันริวโพหจาร์ติงกามันตาพิลาบันโยฮักดอร์ไลโพหจาร์ติงกายากิศพที่โทบัชงดอร์หินโยโพหจาร์เชนงพินโยตังสันโพหจาร์ติงกาตังกตากะเวกิศพที่กะเดกะเวกดีไซน์ตั้งนักบินตาจงพีวันเจนอกลอยนามอลายโมโรบัดนามดพรันพูนอมันตาเฮาคนได้สาวไลหินริวสันพราหินโยไลพรา